Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
Global economy.
October 11th, 11:09 America, New York. Disease and war are shaping our economy. As the new IMF report focuses on continuing downside risks, what can and should be done?
New York Times Business.
October 11th, 11:01 America, New York. Bittrex fined $24 million for breaking U.S. sanctions. Bittrex allowed customers in Cuba, Iran, Sudan, Syria and the Crimea region of Ukraine to trade virtual currencies, according to the Treasury Department. The penalty on Bittrex was the largest the government has imposed on a crypto business for evading sanctions. Daily FX Market News.
October 11th, 11 o'clock America, New York. Bitcoin Technical Outlook. BTC, USD breaches 19,000 June low looms. Bitcoin and its cryptocurrency counterparts remain conflicted at key technical levels as BTC, USD retests 19,000. Could a move lower bring the June low back into play?
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
October 11th, 10:45 America, New York. Labor Department proposes changes to independent contractor rules. The revised regulations could affect gig economy companies such as Uber and DoorDash. Daily FX Market News.
October 11th, 10:30 America, New York. Gold price forecast. Gold bounces back into 1680 after trendline rejection. The bounce in gold ran into trendline resistance last week, which led to another push down to 1680. Can bulls force a deeper pullback or will bears drive the bigger picture trend?
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 11th, 10:15 America, New York. Rapid rate rises could fuel economic disorder, IMF warns. Global central banks' moves to raise interest rates at the fastest pace in more than 40 years are fueling increased risks to the financial system, the International Monetary Fund said.
Global economy.
October 11th, 10:15 America, New York. Markets at risk of disorderly sell-off, says IMF. Higher rates and lower growth threaten to expose financial fragilities, according to top fund official.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
October 11th, 9:46 America, New York. American Airlines sees third quarter revenue topping outlook. Preliminary results show a 13% increase in revenue even as the airline trimmed its flight schedule by nearly 10%.
Global economy.
October 11th, 9:24 America, New York. IMF warns high inflation will persist longer in UK than similar economies. Kwarteng's unfunded tax cuts criticized as Chancellor prepares to head to Washington for fund's annual gathering.
New York Times Business.
October 11th, 9:13 America, New York. Bank of England expands market intervention to avoid a fire sale. In the final week of its emergency bond buying program, the central bank is expanding its efforts to restore bond market function. The Bank of England earlier this month. BBC News Business.
October 11th, 9 o'clock America, New York. IMF warns worst is yet to come for world economy. The International Monetary Fund said 2023 will feel like a recession for many people in a new report.
New York Times Business.
October 11th, 8:45 America, New York. Biden proposal could lead to employee status for gig workers. A proposed rule, long awaited by labor activists, would make it harder for companies to classify workers as independent contractors. Gig companies such as Lyft have long fought efforts to classify their drivers as employees.
Daily FX Market News.
October 11th, 7:59 America, New York. South African Rand forecast. Global risk sentiment dictating ZAR flows. USD, ZAR hovers around key resistance as the dollar takes center stage.
BBC News Business.
October 11th, 7:10 America, New York. Heathrow regains crown as Europe's busiest airport, data shows. Despite beating its rivals, the West London airport says air travel demand remains uncertain.
Digital finance.
October 11th, 6:37 America, New York. Dig Fin Green. Air Carbon X's Thomas McMahon. Air Carbon Exchange, ACX, has created a global exchange for voluntary carbon credits. The post Dig Fin Green. Air Carbon X's Thomas McMahon appeared first on Digital Finance.
BBC News Business. October 11th, 5:08 America, New York. grocery bills set to soar by £643 this year. Shoppers could pay an extra £54 a month for food and other groceries, research firm Kantar says.
Marginal revolution.
October 11, 2:35 America New York, China fact of the day. After maxing out at 22% in 2017, China's share of U.S. goods imports has fallen to 17%. No evidence of reshoring. U.S. import value grew 21% from 2017 to 2021 compared with 4% from 2013 to 2017.